Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our first chapter is going on, that is number beyond 9999. So, we are going to discuss today topic, that is Indian place value chart, which is given on page number 9 of your textbook. So children, take out your books and be ready with your topic. I will give you today's classwork that you will do in your rough copy only, and today's homework also you will do in your rough copy. So today you don't have to do any work in your classwork copy. So take out your rough copy and see the full video. Then I will give you the questions for solving. So children, let's start. Now children, yesterday we have done 5-digit numbers and 6-digit numbers. Today we will start a new topic, that is Indian place value chart, which is given on page number 9. Clear? So open your book, take out page number 9 and let's start the new topic, that is Indian place value chart. To read and write large numbers, we use the following Indian place value chart. Clear? So children, here we have to learn, we have to know that what are the periods and what are the places. What is the difference between periods and places? So before going through this chart, we will see this paragraph. So in the above place value chart, the 7 places are grouped into periods. These are the 7 places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. These are the 7 places which are grouped into 3 periods, that is ones, thousands, lakhs. Clear? The first 3 places from the right end are grouped under ones period. The first 3 places from the right end. This is the right end of this chart, and these are the first 3 places, that is ones, tens and hundreds. These 3 places are grouped under ones period. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds are the places, and these are grouped under the ones period. Clear? The next 2 places are grouped under thousand periods. The next 2 places after these 3 are this one, 1000 and 10,000. So these 2 places are grouped under thousands. It means 1000 and 10,000 are grouped under the period thousands. Clear? And the last 2 places are grouped under lakhs period. The last 2 places are these one. So lakh and 10 lakh are grouped under lakhs period. Clear? So these lakhs, thousand and ones are the period, and these 7 positions are the places of the numbers given. Now let's see the chart. We already discussed ones is having 3 places: hundreds, tens and thousand. Ones, tens and hundred. So 1 is having no 0, tens is having 1 0, hundreds is having 2 0. Then thousand periods, we will come under the period of thousand. 10,000 will have 3 0, 10,000 will have 4 0, Then we will come to next period, that is lakhs. Lakh is having lakh and 10 lakh. So lakh is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0 and 10 lakh is having 6 0. So this is the Indian place value chart. To read large numbers, we use the periods. Okay. Now these are the some numbers which are given. Observe the following place value chart in which the digits of the numbers are arranged. So these are the numbers. These numbers I will give you to arrange according to the Indian place value chart as your classwork. In your classwork, what you will do? You will take one rough copy and you will make this type of chart, that is called Indian place value chart, and you have to arrange these numbers according to the Indian place value chart. So by that you will get practiced and you will be able to know that how to place the numbers according to the places and periods. Clear? As you can see on page number 10, the numbers which are given at on page number 9, these are arranged according to the places and periods, according to the Indian place value chart. So this way you all have to do in your rough copy. So children, let's see what is given in this box. While reading a number, all the digits in the same periods are read together, and the name of the period except the ones is read along with them. Clear? It means that all the digits in the same periods are read together. Suppose that it is given 6 and 3 and the period is 1, that is thousands, 10,000 and 1000 is given. So we will read it as 63,000. Okay, 63,158. So this how we will read this. Again, while writing a number, we put a comma after every period to separate the periods. This helps us to read the number easily. Suppose that this number 63 is given in under the period of 1000. So what we will do? We will write 63, then we will put one comma because here this period is over and another period started. So we will put here comma, and after comma we will write 158. So 63 comma 63,158 we will write like this. Clear? Now example 1 is given. Write the number name for each of the following numbers. A, B, C, 3 numbers are given. First you will write the place value and period of the numbers. Then you will write it as number names. Suppose that here you have made the chart. You have made periods column. You have made the column of places. Then you have arranged these 3 numbers A, B, C according to the place values. Then you have written their number names. As it is done here, you will do in your copy also. Okay. So this was the topic Indian place value chart. Now your today's homework I will give you some numbers like that. You have to arrange those numbers according to the periods and places. So this homework you will do in your rough copy only. Today's classwork and today's homework both you will do in your rough copy. So children, thank you and have a nice day.